Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. And now guys, I'm gonna cook up some chicken gizzard. All right, so here I wash it in some vinegar and I put 2 packs in here. All right, so we're gonna season it up. I have some onions and garlic. We're gonna burn in the oil. All right, this is all purpose. I'm gonna put like 2 teaspoons. No, don't want to overdo the thing. And this is a teaspoon of paprika, onion powder, about a teaspoon, garlic powder, another teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, a teaspoon of turmeric. We're gonna mix up all of this. I almost forget, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of my blended seasoning in it. That will do. And I will leave a link how to make this, okay guys? Really good. All-purpose Jamaican blended seasoning. Over here I have my pressure cooker, because when you pressure it, it cooks so quick, but you can also fry it up and then you cook it down. It's up to you, your choice. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of this cold press extra virgin olive oil. One, 2. I think that's good. And over here guys, I'm just gonna mix this up as well. All right, smells so good, so good. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of curry, and about another half teaspoon of the turmeric, or a teaspoon. I'm gonna add my onion and my garlic. Alright, give this a little mix. So just sauteing it up a little bit. And now I'm gonna add my gizzard. I just tip a little water to shake out the pan. And we're gonna mix this. It's a lot guys because it's 2 packs. We're gonna let the curry kind of fry up a little bit, and then I'm gonna get my hot water and we're gonna pressure it. Okay, put some ginger in it. I should have put it before, but that's okay. And if you don't want it spicy, you don't have to put any pepper in it, but I want it a little bit spicy, so I'm gonna put a teaspoon of this hot jerk seasoning. And I'm gonna give this a little mix. Alright guys, I think that's good enough now. Smells so good. Now we're gonna pressure it. Hot water boiling, and I'm gonna put about say 3 to 4 cups. Okay guys, I'm gonna pressure it for 25 minutes to half an hour, and then I'll come back. And over here I have some bell peppers, I have some okra, I have some Irish potatoes. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna cut up all of this and then I'll be right back. And this is it guys, after 25 minutes it's cooked. Alright, so we're gonna use the rest of the juice or gravy. We're gonna make it boil down. Alright, over here guys, I have Irish potato, okra, bell peppers, and some of my mixed vegetable, and 2 Maggi stock, because you notice I didn't put any salt in there. Alright, so we're just gonna add everything now and let it cook down. We're gonna dump all of this. And I'm gonna add the 2 Maggi stocks. You can add a little bit of cock soup if you want, guys. So 1, 2. We're gonna cook it down for another say 15-20 minutes and it should be good. Look at the goodness, guys. Almost done. We're giving it a stir. Alright, another 10 minutes and it should be done. Guys, it's all done, but I want it to go down a little bit more. I want my gravy to be thick and nice. So I'm gonna let it go down just for another 2 minutes and then it's ready. Alright, over here, guys, I cook a little bit of white rice and I put some of my blended seasoning in it. I have a cup of rice. I'm gonna plate it right there. Ooh, steam coming from my rice, guys. And look at it over here, guys. Can you see the goodness? Oh yeah. So soft. Oops. Get some of the potato. Add a little bit of lettuce somewhere like that. And all I want is some cucumber to go with it. That's the goodness right there. Can you see that, guys? Yes, yes, yes. My chicken gizzard, well cooked with okra and lots of curry, lots of turmeric, lots of potato, mixed vegetable. And I serve it up with some lettuce and cucumber and just a cup of rice, white rice. All right, guys, that's it, guys. Love upon me and I love upon you.